Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me again, Matt, or Tech on Site of ThePeedPC.com. This is a quick walkthrough on how I upgrade my current PC. It's a Windows 8 operating system to Windows 10. So let's get right into it. So this is my current hardware. It's an old school PC. It's running on quad-core 8200 at 2.33 gigahertz. It has 8 gigabyte RAM. It's 64-bit Windows 8.1 operating system, and this is activated, so I can upgrade it to Windows 10. So you have to consider that before you can upgrade for free to Windows 10, your current operating system may be a Windows 7 or 8.1. It should be an activated version, so you cannot upgrade a hacked operating system or those that are not licensed. So basically, if you're using Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 with a processor of at least 1 gigahertz CPU or faster, or at least 1 gigabyte for 32-bit or 2 gigabyte for 64-bit operating system, and a disk space of 16 gigabyte for 32-bit or minimum 20 gigabyte for 64-bit, with the graphics of DirectX 9 capable video card, you can upgrade to Windows 10. Now, as I mentioned, you need at least the space of 16 gigabyte or 20 gigabyte if you're using if you will be using 64-bit. But first and foremost, since this is an operating system upgrade, for your security, you have to back up your files, and if you have to create a system image just to make sure that it won't mess up your system. And since this is also a new operating system, you may have to update your device drivers after upgrading. This is where I downloaded the installer. It's from Microsoft.com website. Download Windows 10, and you can choose to download the tool to create for the installer. There's a 32-bit version, and we have a 64-bit version. This is the best method to download the driver because the file format is optimized for download speed, and there's a built-in media creation options for USB and DVDs, and there's an optional conversion to ISO file format if you use this tool. So after downloading, this is the files that I've downloaded. It's at least around 5.69 gigabyte in all. So I've already completed backing up my files, and my system requirements met the requirement for Windows 10. So all I have to do is click on Setup, and it would prompt for if I'd like to proceed. So I just selected yes, and there you go. So it would automatically launch installer. So I'll be back after a few minutes once I've already installed Windows 10. I'll be pausing this video. So this is part of the installation process. It would prepare your current operating system for the upgrade. It would basically gather some details about the hardware and the devices installed on your PC. So this would take a few minutes before it would be able to prepare my current operating system. So again, I'll be pausing the video. I'll come back once there's an update. After gathering some information, it would it would prompt you to get important updates. Now you have an option to download and install the updates, which is the recommended option, but you can opt to choose not right now. If you choose not right now, you will get them later from Windows Update. I just selected not right now. It will go to the license terms. You just have to accept it. After accepting the license terms, it would go to this screen. It would say ready to install, and there's an option to install Windows 10 Pro and keep the Windows settings, personal files, and apps. So then, since I'm performing an in-place upgrade, so this is what I want. I just have to click install. But if you want to change a few settings, just click change what to keep, and it will prompt you for keep personal files, apps, and Windows settings, which is the default. This setting includes things like your desktop background and internet favorites. There's an option to keep your personal files only, which means your setting and apps will be deleted but your files will be kept. And there's an option to nothing, which means it would delete everything including your files, apps, and settings. So since I'll be performing an upgrade, I'll choose keep personal files, apps, and Windows settings, and then I'll choose next. Now after clicking install, it would go to the installation part. This would take several minutes, and there's a prompt that it will restart several times. It's now on 10% completion. There's an option for cancel. So after 15 to 20 minutes of installation and configuration, finally here it is, the Windows 10. It has a revamped interface, and this would really either make or break Microsoft Windows operating system. As you can see, all the files on my previous Windows 8 operating system was all kept because I selected the keep files and applications during the installation menu, and I'm still pretty new to the Windows 10 operating system, but as you can see, it has live tiles. It has again the start menu. Start menu, it has the option for the file explorer, which is the Windows Explorer. It has the settings and the power, where you can either sleep, shut down, and restart. It has the all apps, or equivalent to all programs. As you can see here, all the programs that I have, it is order by numeric and alphabetical. And at the right side, you have the live tiles, which you could either begin from the start. You can turn live the tile off, begin from the taskbar, etc. Here, the taskbar are pretty much similar from previous taskbar, except that it has the search option here. You can search for, say, and so it's no longer at the start menu, so it's on the taskbar instead. And here, okay, this is the task view. The calendar, when you click on it, it has a new appearance. It has the notifications here. Okay, and it has a new browser. So this is the new browser of Windows 10, and also the Windows Explorer has made a big change. You can unpin or pin a folder. So this is how it looks now. Also, the OneDrive is also part of the File Explorer also. So basically that's it. This is the new look of Windows 10. It's on my initial experience and impression. This is far better than the Windows 8. I'm still trying to figure out the changes in the Windows 10, and I'll probably make a few videos in coming days. So it's me again, Nat, for Tech Inside. Please share your comments and suggestions down below.